To think Audi put that motor in a regular sedan car. Just crazy. Crazy. Yeah, that's right. They put the Audi V10 5.2 liter motor in a family sedan. Insane, I know. But that's what the Audi engineers thought was a great idea for an S6. They paired it to a 6-speed automatic transmission to that naturally aspirated V10 motor. That's right, it's no slouch. And of course, it's got the Quattro system in an S6. Oh man, it is just a bullet. But a mechanic at Abraham's garage, Crispin Automotive, or Andy, had some issues trying to put this car into gear one morning. He ended up diagnosing the problems to be the Megatronics in the transmission. He sourced a set of good used Megatronics to replace what he had in the car. It was a very delicate procedure to make sure nothing else was damaged while he was working on it. He had it on his desk and performed a pretty much open heart surgery. Take a look.
The blue turned almost greenish.
So what did you do here?
Change all the solenoids.
Why?
One is busted.
So why not just one?
So you have to go back in there again? Change all of them.
Okay. So why are these brown and that's yellow?
Yeah, so they change color after a period of time. And you can't go by the old color code. You have to go by the part number in each solenoid, right?
Why is there a hole here? What's going on there?
This could have been a 7-speed, but this car is a 6-speed. So we have one solenoid less.
Okay, so these are all the old ones. Now the new ones are in, and
All the new ones are in.
time to assemble everything back together.
Yep. I'm gonna bring this back up. When they're pretty tight, they're faster.
Good time, buddy.
Okay. When they're tighter, I forgot to put in the park neutral switch. Jesus, it's stuck in there good. That's your park neutral indicator. That tells you where you are in park and neutral. So that's good here. What we want to do next is get some bolts in to hold the ECU down. It's going to go like this. You gotta be super careful here, boy. Super duper careful. And what we got here? We got one long one by itself. Let's try this one. That's not the right spot, it's too high. And the rest to go in.
see any of that stuff,
No, it
right?
was a red block.
And look at that. Now
It
we
was a
see
solid red block.
the controls.
Now you can see the park reverse control. Yeah.
Still got the Christmas tree though.
Yeah, we got
A bit of coding and it's
What
gone.
percentage is this tint?
tint 1000.
Yep. Well, there you have it. Mechatronics were replaced, and he finally was able to see the information on the dash and put it in gear. Unfortunately, I didn't get to actually get a ride in the car and experience it after the Mechatronics were fixed. I did before, and it was a pretty bullet of a car. Like, just keeps pulling and pulling and pulling. But as you can see, that guy's back. And I think I should jump into a game and see what this car is capable of. Unfortunately, it's not available in Forza Motorsport 8 or 2004. So the only game I was able to find it in was Forza Motorsport 7. I will double check Forza Horizon 5, but I'm able to jump into Forza Motorsport 7. Yeah, in 2005, I'm jumping back into that game and give this car a go, see what it's really capable of. So yeah, I'm about to hop into that sim and give it a go. Let's go check it out. If you like this technical dive into maintaining and building these European cars, like and subscribe for more. This section of the channel has been moved. For more on my sim driving and sim racing journey, check out the channel. It has all been relocated to Sim Apex Speed. That's right, Sim Apex Speed.